In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Squarespace. We'll start right from your Squarespace account. Log in and head to your account dashboard. From there, click into your main dashboard so you can access your sites. When you see the site you want to work on, choose the option to go to the website. This opens the editor where all of your site settings and design tools live. If you manage multiple sites, just make sure you're opening the correct one before moving forward. Once you're in the editor, open the website menu and then go to Pages. Pick a page you can safely edit, like your home page. Click Edit so you're in the page editor view. We're going to place the social media icons in the site header, which is the area at the top that usually includes your logo and navigation. The header is a global element, so any changes you make there will show across your site, which is ideal for consistent social links. With the page in edit mode, choose Edit Site Header. This opens the header controls. Look for the option to add elements. Elements are the building blocks inside your header. Things like buttons, search, and, in this case, social links. Click Add Elements and select Social Links. You'll see a new Social Links element appear in your header layout. If it's not exactly where you want it, don't worry, we'll fine-tune in a moment. Next, click directly on the Social Links element to open its settings and choose Edit. You'll land on the Content tab. This is where you add each social profile. Click to add Instagram and paste your full profile URL. Do the same for Facebook and Twitter. Squarespace automatically recognizes the platform from the URL and applies the correct icon, so you don't have to upload anything manually. Be sure to use the full address, including the HTTPS prefix, and double check for typos so the icons actually link where you expect. If you need more platforms, choose Add Social Link and repeat the process for any other networks you use. You can keep this list lean by only adding the platforms you actively maintain. Once your links are in, switch over to the Design tab for styling. Find the social icon size setting and drag the slider to make the icons larger. Go just big enough that they're easy to see and tap, especially on mobile, but not so large that they overpower your logo or push your navigation onto a second line. A small adjustment often makes a big difference in visibility and balance. Now, open the border settings. Turning on a border adds a simple outline or shape around each icon. This is especially helpful if your header background is busy or if the icon color blends in. A subtle border can improve contrast and make the icons feel more intentional in your design. If your header is already minimal and high contrast, you might keep the border off. Otherwise, try it on and see if it sharpens the look. The goal is clarity without distraction. When you're happy with your content and design choices, click Save. This locks in your changes. Then select Exit to leave the header editor and return to the normal page view. After exiting, take a quick look across a few pages to confirm the icons appear consistently in the header and that each link opens correctly. If anything needs adjusting, you can jump back into Edit Site Header, tweak the settings, and save again. And that's it. You've added clean, clickable social media icons to your Squarespace site, set them up with the right URLs, adjusted the size for readability, and refined the look with border options. With these steps, your visitors can easily find and follow you wherever you're active, all without disrupting your site's design.